Hello again. I just want to welcome everybody back here for another tutorial. Yes, I have tons available to go through. This time we're going to talk about superheroes. And why are we going to talk about superheroes? Well, it's been proven that in research that superheroes themselves have been used as an assistive technology in the classroom. So how would we even consider a superhero to be an assistive technology? Well, there was a great app and program designed a few years back called the Marvel Comic Book Creator. So what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and we will actually somewhat demonstrate how the Marvel Book Comic Creator works. So the first thing we do is we just go ahead and hit sign up now to get started. So I'm going to put my email here first before I do anything. Okay, now that I'm just about done typing it here, I'm going to choose a pen name. So my pen name is just going to be like RF Roger 1. RF Roger 1. Okay, now that I've selected RF Roger 1, I just hit sign up now. Now that I hit sign up now, it's going to come back and it's going to tell me that my registration has been received and I have to confirm my account. So let's go ahead and go and do that. I'm just going to go to the email screen here and start signing into my email so we could confirm. The process of confirming allows Marvel to confirm that we are who we say we are as teachers or students or whoever it is that's signing up for the account and using it. So I'm just heading over there now to my email, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna sign in here for a second. Okay. And I'm going to have to pause this because I won't have my full email up for security reasons in this video. This is for research purposes, so I'll be back with everybody here in a moment. So what I did when I went into my emails, I just went ahead and clicked on activate my account. Now that I've gone ahead and activated my account, they're just asking me to log in here now. And I'm just going to go back and get the information from the email to log in, so I'll be right back here again. So now that we're back here again, what I'm doing is I'm just typing my email address here into what we're doing is we're just about done confirming the account setup for the account, and I'm just about done. I paste my password in from the email here, and I'll just say never to remembering your password. We really never want to do that. Okay, so here we are. This is kind of what the Marvel setup looks like. In here we have the ability to create stories. So what we'll want to do here is we want to create a new story. So I'm actually going to be creating this for one of my special education students here in like a disability department type setting at a university. So I'm just going to go ahead and say new first of all. Once I say new, what I'll do is I'll choose the title of my book. This is actually going to be related to math, so we're going to call it math. So we actually need to edit first to type in our title. That's the first thing we need to do. Okay, but so we'll actually be doing the titling part at the end, but for all intents and purposes, let's go ahead and edit the scenario that we're working with here. And in this scenario, we're going to say that our student probably likes Spider-Man or something like that. We can always chop and change. We'd be able to do more in the paid version. This isn't the paid version, unfortunately. It's the free version here. So let's go into here. Our student likes Spider-Man. And it's a math situation that we're dealing with. So I just go ahead and click on edit. And we should be able to control what is being said, actually. So let's go ahead and try So we're going to go ahead and type what we want to be said. So you could change the text in the dialogue. So we might say, how many feet is it? Many feet is it from the top of the building to the ground? Okay, so I'll pose the question here. And then after we pose the question, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll go down to the bottom here, and that looks good. So that's step 1. Okay, and we move over to step 2. So we got to click a bubble now. I clicked the bubble that I wanted to work with. Step 3, we just need to click a kind of tail for the bubble. Sometimes and these are the different options here for the tail. And as we can see, we can have all different kinds of bubbles for the question or whatever it is we want to ask to go in. So, okay, there is Spider-Man. Now, as we can see, he's asking, how many feet is it from the top of the building to the bottom of the ground? Okay, and then he says, move me, spin me around. So then what we might do is we might have like a, in this scenario, I might print this out and have the student take a mathematical guess as to what they think it is. This is just a hypothetical situation as to how it can all be used. So yeah, so then once I'm done here, I just go ahead and I can go back to the book and then save it, and then at that point I can edit it however I want. So yeah, this here is actually how it works to use that up. Yeah, I've got more coming up here shortly. Thank you. Have a good day, everybody. Bye now.